Hey folks, toxicSAM here. Today I want to show you a smoke that I use on top mid for the connector. This is a simple smoke. I just come here on my left. I point to this tip of the antenna and just left click. This is going to smoke the top part of the connector. You know, you can see, barely see the feet of a CT that is here, and you can come here. So if a CT is trying to defend from the bottom of connector, you can see them, but if they are on top of the connector or on A, they won't see you going short. Let me just throw it again for you to see. So as you can see, there's not much that they can do if they are here, and if they are here, their feet will show. So yeah, this is the one that I like to throw. Of course, if you are here, you can throw it more like this and clear this angle and this angle. But that one is good if you're going short, for instance. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.